Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a Colab notebook and selecting a Python 3 runtime. First, install or upgrade TensorFlow, which includes Keras, in a code cell so you match Colab's environment. This ensures API compatibility. Once done, enable GPU via runtime right arrow, change runtime type right arrow GPU to speed training. Make sure you check device availability with TF. Test GPU device name. This step prevents subtle backend mismatches and gets you ready to import Keras and begin model work immediately. You now define model architecture using TF. Keras, stacks of input, conv/dense, and activation layers depending on your task. Prepare your data, normalize values, convert to TF. Data, dataset, shuffle, and batch, because correct input pipelines increase throughput and stability. Next, compile with an appropriate loss, optimizer, and metrics. Use callbacks like model checkpoint and early stopping to control training. Once training starts, monitor loss and validation metrics in Colab's output or TensorBoard. You finish by evaluating the trained model on held-out data to verify generalization. Print confusion matrices or sample predictions to understand failure modes. Save the working model with model. Save, or export weights and the training config so you can reload later in Colab or elsewhere. If things go wrong, such as mismatched shapes, missing GPU, or import errors, first confirm TensorFlow and Keras versions match, restart the runtime, and rerun setup cells. This often clears state issues that produce cryptic errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.